Have you ever wondered if your hard-earned money is truly safe in a bank? We all want to believe that our savings are secure, but with so many financial institutions out there, it can be hard to know who to trust. Today, we're going to dive deep into EverBank and explore whether or not their savings accounts are a safe bet. EverBank is a popular online bank that offers a variety of financial products, including savings accounts. They've been around for quite some time and have a reputation for being reliable. But is that reputation justified? Let's take a closer look. Safety and security. One of the most important factors when choosing a bank is the safety and security of your funds. EverBank is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. This means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. So, if EverBank were to fail, your money would be protected. FDIC insurance. But what does FDIC insurance really mean? Let's break it down. When you deposit money into a bank, it's essentially loaned out to other people or businesses. If the bank can't repay those loans, it can become insolvent. That's where the FDIC comes in. They act as a safety net, ensuring that depositors get their money back, up to the insurance limit. EverBank's financial stability. In addition to FDIC insurance, EverBank has a strong financial stability record. They've been around for years and have weathered various economic storms. This gives us confidence that they're likely to remain solvent in the future. Customer reviews. Another factor to consider when choosing a bank is customer satisfaction. EverBank has generally positive reviews from customers. Many people praise their online banking platform, which is easy to use and offers a variety of features. However, there are also some negative reviews, including complaints about customer service. Customer service. It's important to note that customer service can vary from person to person. If you have a problem, it's always a good idea to reach out to the bank directly and see how they handle your issue. Interest rates. Of course, safety and security aren't the only factors to consider when choosing a savings account. You also want to get a competitive interest rate. EverBank's interest rates are generally in line with other online banks. However, they may not be as high as some traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Online versus traditional banks. If you're looking for the highest possible interest rate, you may want to consider a traditional bank. However, online banks like EverBank often offer more convenience and flexibility. They typically have lower fees and longer hours of operation. Other factors to consider. In addition to safety, security, interest rates, and customer service, there are a few other factors you may want to consider when choosing a savings account. These include minimum balance requirements. Some banks require you to maintain a minimum balance in your account. Fees. Some banks charge fees for certain transactions, such as ATM withdrawals or overdrafts. Accessibility. If you prefer to do your banking in person, you may want to choose a traditional bank with a physical location near you. So, is EverBank savings safe? Based on our analysis, we can say that it is. The bank is FDIC insured, has a strong financial stability record, and generally positive customer reviews. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of EverBank against other options before making a decision. If you're considering opening a savings account with EverBank, we encourage you to do your own research and compare their offerings to other banks. You can visit their website or give them a call to learn more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.